welcome back to the channel. Y'all, Danny is back on the channel. Period. No, yo, what the fuck? Finally got her ass back in here. Period. You guys already know by the title, but what are we doing, Danny?
It's basically like a chit chat, get ready with us, and answering some questions and getting real spicy and also serious too.
Yeah. So yeah, we are going to do that. We are doing our makeup. This is the look we are going to be doing as we like answering the questions. Pause. If you guys are new to the YouTube channel, don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment. And also follow us on all your social medias. And keep up with us. We don't want to keep this intro too long. Let's get into the video. Okay, we're gonna start with the eyes. That's what I'm starting with my eyes first.
Yeah, I'm
doing
gonna
like
do...
Okay, question number 1. What is your favorite thing to do?
My favorite thing to do is definitely going out, like, getting dressed, especially what we're doing right now, getting ready with friends, the drinks and spilling tea, tea, and having to plan, like, definitely like getting dressed, looking cute.
Yeah,
vibing. I like vibes.
I like trying new restaurants, new food, which I need to do more of, because to be honest, yeah,
we need to do more of that.
I me too. Why are you staring at me?
Cause you're not saying your next step.
I'm just doing ring liner and then putting like some highlight on my inner corners, cause like and then I'm gonna drag the highlight on my lid so that it can like
blend in.
Yeah, glow a little bit. What are you doing?
So I forgot my foundation, so I'm gonna use some skin tint.
So when I say pack your makeup, what the fuck did you think I meant? Next question. Oh, do you have a boo?
No, but there's Trisha's bops in the streets.
I'm gonna go with the Shigler primer.
There are bops.
Bops. What exactly is bob? I'm not really like up to date with
the slings.
Yeah.
I try to keep up. Because I remember when I was little and then I would say something and grown-ups would be like, what does that even mean? Like, I'm like, wait, y'all don't know, and it's so weird. So, I don't know. It's kind of creepy.
You try to keep up?
Yeah, I do try to keep up. And I have a younger brother that's still in high school.
Yeah.
So, I be asking him. So, when that whole word came out, the Riz.
I knew that.
I know, yeah. That one, he's like, oh, you got mad Riz. I'm like, what's Riz? And then he had to explain it to me. I'm like, and I started using it so I can stay hip. No, you did not.
Okay, yeah, I don't have a man. I don't have a man because nobody want me.
Oh, no.
Anyways, we're gonna move on to another question, but before we do that, I'm gonna go with foundation. This is the Bourjois Paris Healthy Mix Foundation, and then I'm gonna go with the Smashbox Halo 4-in-1 pen. Anyways, next question. Where are you from? When people ask me where am I from,
it's kind of confusing.
I don't know how to answer it.
Yeah, I get a brain fart because it's like, what do you want me to say? Like, where was I born?
Yeah.
Where do I live now? Which one?
Okay, so let's answer all. So we both were born. We're both born in Haiti.
Yeah.
Right?
Correct.
Were you born in Port-au-Prince or like, I was born in Port-au-Prince.
Same.
But now I live in Boston, Brockton. I don't fucking know.
And Brockton, Massachusetts, which is in America.
It's like when people ask you.
Yeah, you gotta like pause and think about it. Just like, which one you want me to tell you?
It's just like when people ask you, tell me about yourself. What do you want to know? Do you want to know my trauma?
Right.
Or like my favorite color?
That was on specific information. Oh my god.
Okay. Next question. This is gonna get a little spicy now.
Is it?
Yeah. Next question is: have you ever recorded yourself doing it? If you know what it means.
Doing the devil tingle.
Doing the devil's work.
Right.
I have not, unfortunately, because I'm too scared to do any of that.
It's actually unbelievable. I really can't get my head around that. You never done it?
No.
Oh my gosh. I have. I've done it a couple of times, like maybe once or three times.
You say once or three times.
Once or three times. But yeah, there was this one time I did it, and I was watching the video. Why was my butt ashy? Like, dude, why didn't you tell me my ass was ashy?
It's like, baby, let's pause a little bit and let me oil you up.
Right, like, put some oil on there. Like, it's a show. Like, this is your time to shine. You're supposed to show out.
This man was just trying to get his nutty in. And
right, like, sorry, like, hold the camera, bro. This is a film production, bro. I'm putting my show on, and oh my god, like,
Come to find out, you were ashy as fuck.
Right. Maybe we need a third person or something. Not like that.
We need a camera person.
A whole camera crew, cause like, why you can't even hold the phone, bro? But if you were, do you think if you get into a comfortable relationship, you'd ever do that with your partner, or?
I might.
But you ever thought about it? Like, if you...
No.
Really?
Like, I never, like, want to see, like, oh, let's see. Like, let me do this and record it and see. Yeah, I never, like, thought about it like that.
Oh.
Because I be too in the mood. Like, not in the mood,
yeah,
too in the moment.
Yeah. But I be thinking about, like, wait, record that, let me see how it's going in. Or, like, I even try to, like, touch it.
Like, touch the thing?
Yeah, I touch the thing and I touch my private part just to see the feel. It's like, ooh, she's taking it, honey.
I'm dead. Sorry, since we're not dating, are we talking to anyone?
I wouldn't even say talking. I'm just smashing, okay? I'm getting my ankles loose. Nobody knows that reference.
I don't either.
Yeah, but yeah, I'm just getting my doomies beat down. You know,
I get that.
Once in a while, you know, and once in a blue moon, but
that's it.
That's it. It's quite sad.
I ain't doing shit. My hose ain't never picking up.
Ooh.
And I don't have hose.
Once in a blue moon. This is weird.
Not even in a blue moon.
This is weird. I don't like that for me.
What, the blue moon shit?
Right. I should be getting my doomies beat down regularly. Okay, I deserve it.
Says who?
Me.
Period.
I work hard for my shit.
I like that. Confident.
Amen.
So, what are your red flags?
My red flags are definitely like, I don't take shit seriously most of the time, especially if it's something I can't control. So I'm just be like, oh wow, like shit, this is insane. Like, I just wait for the next day, a few hours to feel better. You know those waves of when you have, like, you just get sad out of nowhere. You know, those little mental breakdown and stuff, because, you know, shit are stressful. I just ride it out. Most of the time, I don't cry about it because you know, once you start crying, it just keeps happening. So, I don't know. I just try not to cry. Big dog shit. I don't care. I just be trying to move on. I don't deal with shit. I just let it happen. I let life happen to me. And, you know, let's see if I survive.
Life be lifing either way. Anyways.
Either way. There's nothing you can do about it.
Okay, so my red flag is I be forgetting shit, right?
Ooh, yeah.
When something happened that is, like, not what I want to happen, I'm like, back in my mind, hello, bye-bye. And when it comes to relationship, it's because, like, I lose interest so fast and I get bored so fast. Like, and when I say get bored, like, if I'm talking to somebody for, like, a week and I haven't seen you, interest lost. Like, yeah. A bit. This is our finish beat.
Like it? Do you love it? Hate it?
Is it giving?
It's giving.
Thank you guys so much for watching today's YouTube video. If you guys did enjoy it, give it a big thumbs up. Comment down below what you want to see from us.
Follow us on social media. Bye.